Alphabet Techno School is established in 2016 and one of the best schools in Motinagar, Hyderabad. Alphabet School's mission is first and foremost childcare. Our mission is childcare. We can achieve our mission because of our students. Providing quality teaching programs in a caring and supportive environment. The school has built a proud tradition of academic excellence, citizenship, and valor. The mission of the school is to inspire young learners. To achieve our mission, we are committed to excellence in teaching and learning, upholding traditional values, encouraging lifelong learning. A collaborative partnership with parents. Quality leadership and management provided within a safe, supportive, culturally diverse environment with equity for all. Congratulations and all the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Admissions open for 2025 and 2026. Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.